guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today, my daughter and I went to Michael's, and for the first time ever, we found some $4 grab bags. So we got a big bag, a big box, and also another big box. So we spent $12 today, so I just wanted to share with you what all is in our grab bags. First, we're going to start with the box that has Christmas ornaments in it. And look what they put in our box also. This is such a pretty Christmas coffee mug. And this coffee mug, original price was $10. Then look at this ornament. We got two, there may be more, but this is all I can see on the top. Two of these pretty ornaments, and they are glass, and they were $7 each. Ooh, the back's really pretty too. Oh, here's another one that makes ornaments. And then here's one that says Boom. And it was $10. And look at all these ketchup bottles. I told my daughter we could do a ketchup Christmas tree next year. And these are glass also. And they were $7 each. So I don't know how many we have here. We'll have to count them later, but we've got enough to do a small Christmas tree, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. Here's something different. That's kind of unique. And it's glass. And original price was $12 for it. And then here's, I guess this is a, what is it, cream cheese bagel for $12. Sorry if you hear something, we've got our two little dogs here with us. And then lots more ketchups. So give me just a second and I'll find some more things to show you. Guess how many ketchup bottles we had in our box? We had a total of 64 ketchup bottles. And each bottle cost $7. So this box, this whole box full was only $4. So let's see what else we have. Here's a cute little robot Christmas ornament that's glass. And it was $12. And then we have a wow one. And it was $10. Here's another wow one. And then we have 5 more with the letters on them, and they were each $7 each. Next is the box of gift wrap, and each roll was $5, and in each roll 30 inches times 6.6 yards. So each roll was $5, and as you can see, we just pulled out one of each color to show you, and I know you'll get bored if I show you every one, so we just spread out a few to show you. Sorry if you hear my dogs barking. Ooh, I think this is one of my favorites right here. I counted a total of 33 rolls of the Christmas gift wrap. So there were actually 35 rolls because 2 of the rolls were open. So 33 new rolls of gift wrap at $5 each. And so there's lots of different patterns, designs, colors. There's some solids. So there's just about something to go with everyone's Christmas colors. And the last bag is full of these pretty Christmas tins. This tin was $4. And we have some in different sizes and patterns. This is my daughter's favorite. She likes the little gingerbread houses. And then, let's see, here's another pretty one. 'Tis the season to be yummy. And it was $5. This size was $5 also. Here's one that's a little different. It says, Peace and joy, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. This is really pretty plaid, and it was $5. And then we got a couple of the smaller ones, and they were $3 each. So I think my daughter and I will add everything together and let you know what the total would have been if we had paid full price for all of this before Christmas. But we only paid $12 for all of this. So I think, just give us a second and we'll let you know the total price. Okay guys, we added the total of all of the ornaments, all of the tins, all of the gift wrap, and guess what our grand total was? $797. Almost $800 for everything we got for $12. So let me know in the comments section if you went to Michael's this morning and bought some grab bags, and let me know what your favorite thing was in your grab bag, and let me know in the comments section what you thought was our favorite item that we got. I would have to say this is probably my favorite, and then the little ketchup Christmas ornaments. I think everyone in our family is going to be getting a ketchup Christmas ornament, and our friends too, next year. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone is doing good, and I will have a crafting video out real soon. Thank you.